Did you know that leaving your Tesla plugged in all the time might actually be harming your car? And what if it's also wasting money without even realizing it? From battery health to saving on your electric bill, let's dive into Tesla charging basics. Ever wondered if you should keep your Tesla plugged in all the time? The answer is yes, and here's why. The concept of always be plugged in ABPI is essential for maintaining battery health and ensuring your car is always ready to go. Tesla wall connectors, which are essentially fancy extension cords providing power to the car's internal charger, make this easy. Why does the car stop charging when it reaches its limit? When the car reaches its charge limit, it stops drawing power. The illuminated blue light on the wall connector and the green mark on the car indicate that it's fully charged and not using any more electricity. This prevents overcharging and wasting energy, thanks to the smart charger inside the car. Did you know you can set your Tesla's charge limit? Inside the car, the charging screen allows you to set the charge limit between 50% and 100%. For daily use, Tesla recommends keeping it between 50% and 80%. For long trips, setting it to 100% ensures maximum range. Can these adjustments be made remotely? Yes, the Tesla app lets you set charge limits, departure times, and schedule charging during off-peak hours to save on electricity costs. If electricity rates are cheaper at night, schedule a car to start charging at midnight. This feature not only saves money but also ensures the car is fully charged when needed. But how can you ensure your Tesla is always at the perfect temperature and charge level? Keeping your car plugged in allows for preconditioning. By setting a departure time, the car can precondition the battery and climate control, ensuring it's ready to go when you are. This way, the car uses wall power instead of draining the battery, keeping everything optimal. If you have any tips or questions, drop them in the comments below. How does temperature affect your Tesla's charging efficiency? Charging efficiency can drop significantly in extreme cold or hot temperatures. Preconditioning your car's battery before charging in cold weather is crucial. This process warms up the battery to a more optimal temperature, ensuring that the charging process is efficient and the battery isn't strained. In hot weather, try to charge your Tesla in shaded areas to prevent overheating, which can slow down charging speeds and increase wear on the battery. Wondering if your Tesla has an LFP battery? The charging strategy changes if it does. LFP batteries, which stands for lithium iron phosphate, are quite popular among EV owners. It's best to set the car to 100% and charge it fully as often as possible, at least once a week. To find out if you have an LFP battery, go to your car's charging settings and adjust the charge limit slider above 80%. If the car warns you to stay at 80% for daily use, you don't have an LFP pack. If it doesn't warn you, then you do. Is it bad to charge your battery to 100% or let it drop below 10%? Surprisingly, it's not. It's perfectly fine to use the full range of your battery occasionally. The key is not letting the car sit at those extreme levels for extended periods. If you need to charge to 100% for a road trip, do so, but make sure to leave shortly after reaching full charge. Heard that slower chargers are better for your battery? While it's technically true, the trade-offs often aren't worth it. Level 1 charging, using a standard 120-volt outlet, is much slower and less efficient than Level 2 charging. Level 2 chargers, which use a 240-volt outlet, are faster, more efficient, and perform better in extreme cold. Looking for a good home charging setup? A 240-volt outlet with a Tesla mobile connector is an excellent option. It's affordable and provides enough speed to charge your car overnight. But a Tesla wall connector offers the fastest charging speeds, can be daisy-chained for multiple cars, and has a sleek look with a longer cable. But is using DC fast charging frequently a good idea? It's best to avoid it as your primary charging method. DC fast chargers, like superchargers, provide high-speed charging, but can cause faster battery degradation due to the higher voltage and temperatures involved. Use them sparingly, mainly for road trips. Home charging is not only better for your battery, but also more convenient and cost-effective. But how can you maintain your battery health and save money? Scheduled charging is a great solution. Tesla's in-car system and third-party apps like Teslafy help set specific charging times, ensuring your car charges during off-peak hours and is ready when you need it. This not only saves money but also optimizes battery health. Another thing you can do is contact your local utility company to inquire about special rates or programs for electric vehicle charging. Some utilities offer cheaper rates during off-peak hours, which can significantly reduce your costs. Adjusting your charging schedule based on this information can maximize your savings. If you're a new Tesla owner, here are some ways to optimize charging right from the very beginning. First, set up charging before getting your car. Wondering what to do before your Tesla arrives? Setting up your home charging station should be a top priority. This ensures you can start charging your car from day one without any hassle. Consider getting the Tesla wall connector or a mobile connector with a NEMA 1450 plug. The mobile connector is cost-effective and versatile, while the wall connector offers more features and faster charging speeds. Planning a long road trip? Make sure to charge your car to 100% to start with maximum range. Use the supercharger network along the way to maintain your charge and continue your journey without interruptions. This ensures you have the range you need and minimizes the number of charging stops. It's more expensive, but offers faster charging speeds and additional features. Use Tesla's in-car system or third-party apps like Teslafy to schedule your charging times. This allows you to charge during off-peak hours, saving money and reducing strain on the electrical grid. Scheduled charging also ensures your car is ready to go when needed, with the right charge level and preconditioned for the journey. How can you keep your battery healthy? Regularly monitor your charging habits and battery health. Use Tesla's built-in systems and apps to track your battery's performance and make adjustments as needed. If significant degradation or other issues are noticed, consult with Tesla service to address them promptly. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Did you know there are optimal charging speeds for different Tesla models? Different Tesla models have varying maximum charging speeds, both at home and at superchargers. For example, the Tesla Model S and Model X can charge at up to 11.5 kilowatts on a 240-volt outlet, while the Model 3 and Model Y can charge at up to 11.5 kilowatts as well. This means they can add about 44 miles of range per hour. Knowing your model's maximum charging rate helps optimize your charging routine. Not many people know this, but regenerative braking can affect your battery's charge levels. Tesla's regenerative braking system converts kinetic energy into electrical energy, which is then fed back into the battery. This process can extend your driving range, especially in stop-and-go traffic. But to maximize the benefits of regenerative braking, it's important to keep your battery at an optimal state of charge, typically between 20% and 80%. How do software updates impact charging? Tesla regularly releases software updates that can improve your car's charging efficiency and battery management. These updates can include tweaks to the charging algorithm, better thermal management, and improved efficiency in using regenerative braking. Always keep your Tesla updated to take advantage of these enhancements. What's the proper etiquette for using public chargers? When using public charging stations, it's essential to follow some basic etiquette to ensure everyone has access to charging facilities. For instance, avoid using superchargers if you don't need a fast charge, and try to move your car once it's done charging to free up the space for others. Also, Tesla charges idle fees if you leave your car at a supercharger after it's fully charged, so be mindful of this to avoid extra costs. What should you know about your Tesla's battery warranty? Tesla's battery and drive unit warranty covers 8 years or a specified number of miles, whichever comes first. The warranty includes protection against defects and significant capacity loss. Regular maintenance, such as keeping software up to date and following proper charging practices, can help ensure you get the most out of your battery warranty. What's one of the best aspects of owning a Tesla? The convenience of home charging. No need to visit gas stations or worry about filling up. Simply plug in your car when you get home and wake up to a full charge every day. Embrace this convenience and make it a part of your daily routine. By following these tips, you can ensure your Tesla's battery remains healthy, your charging costs are minimized, and your overall ownership experience is enhanced. Remember, keeping your car plugged in, maintaining optimal charge levels, and using home charging can make your Tesla ownership experience much more enjoyable. If you liked this video, make sure to click on the next one on how to stop killing your Tesla battery.